Hey everybody, this is Jason from Useful AI Hacks. So we put up this video about the Meta Rayban Wayfarer smart glasses as a front row POV video on the IncrediCoaster at Disneyland California Adventure. And while processing, as you can see, it immediately got banned. So that's why you haven't seen it yet. I did submit a copyright claim, but I wanted to come on here and show you that these Meta Wayfarer sunglasses are the ones that recorded this video right here with me sitting in the front row of the IncrediCoaster, and I have the video right here to prove it. As you can see in this video, there's no edits. It's going to be start to stop, and this is our original content. So I wanted to play this, and I'm going to play this so you guys can see.
Hey everybody, you ready to take off? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Now, as you can see right here, about at 40 seconds, somebody says that it is their copyrighted content, and you will see that there's no splits, no filters, no color correction, and no audio changing in this, because we wanted to show you exactly how it recorded. Now, this isn't the full quality because YouTube would not process it up to 4K because of this copyright claim that was unfound. But as you can see, nothing is clipped, nothing is changing. This is one continuous clip the whole way. And you can see it right here. These Meta Wayfarer sunglasses are the best thing ever for content creators. I'm telling you, you never miss a moment. There's no glitching, so smooth quality, great color. It adapts from the bright all the way to the dark immediately with no issues. I mean, check it out. Everybody should get themselves a pair of these Meta Wayfarer sunglasses. They're so awesome. It frees up your hands so you don't have to keep looking at a screen, holding a screen and looking at a screen. And if something happens right in front of you, you just go, boom. That's it. Or if you want to take a video, that's simple. See, I still have my hands and I'm still able to be involved with those around me, enjoying the time. It gets to capture the moment and you're still involved with friends and family. So I recommend that you click that link down in the bio and grab yourself a pair of these Meta Wayfarer sunglasses today. What I did was I got the Meta Rayban Wayfarer sunglasses at a price point of $299, and then I got transition lenses that were aftermarket from Apex. The link for them is down in the bio as well. It swapped out really easy. They popped right out through the front of the glasses, and the new lenses popped right back in. And actually, to be quite honest, the new lenses were even more snug than the original Ray-Ban lenses that came with. I love it because these things will adjust to dark and regular sunglasses out in the sun, or be just like light where you can see in a room like this. So click that link down the bio and be sure to tap subscribe and toggle that notification bell so you'll be notified of the next AI Hacks Useful AI video that launches tomorrow at 11 a.m. with more AI news updates. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.